Hello, Prime Coders. Finally, your battleground is ready and your examination will start from 15th of March itself. How I am talking about? Because one of the candidate got the admit card and most of you of my audience will definitely get it by today who filled the form on the very first day on the first week when form was introduced. Okay, so TCS NQT admit card is released and the examination started from 15th March as published on the website. Okay, so registered number. So registered number you can see here a candidate registered number and a candidate name, date of birth, examination venue. As this candidate is from New Delhi, he got the examination venue as Ion Digital Zone IDZ2. Okay, the 15th of March 2025, 7:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. is the test timing. You need to report at 7:30 or gate closure time is 8:30. So before that you should at least be there on the center. Try to be on the safer side and reach to the center very soon. Okay, so this barcode is important. So take the print in a nice proper manner and you will have the roll number as well, which is important here. So paste your photograph and candidate signature after taking the printout. Okay, some people do paste their sign right away and take the printout. No, please paste your hard copy photo which is very clear with your signature listed. Clear? After taking printout. Now, main important thing is instruction to be strictly followed, which is please ensure you're carrying following documents you to the test center on the day of examination. Printed copy of Aadhaar card. Note, a copy of the physical hard copy of your admit card is mandatory for admission into the examination venue. So if you think like, okay, in the morning all shops are closed, I won't be taking it. Now they will not allow you. So you must carry one passport size photos, paste the same on the hall ticket at the examination venue. Please, whatever photograph you will paste on your admit card, same photograph try to carry. Okay. Original document issued photo identity proof for validation. Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter, PAN should taken care of and no digital copies accepted. So what all you need to take care? You need to have a hard copy of your admit card, your photograph which you have pasted same on admit card as well as take it as a hard copy, and your government validated identity proof you need to take off. Identity proof at incomplete DOB details not be considered as valid. So your DOB should be matched with your AC which is admit card. Clear? So take that particular government ID card. So report to the test center will before gate closure time. Otherwise entry will not be permitted. Prohibited items you can go through it. Unfair means you can't do any malpractice something. You may get blacklisted or you will be terminated right away. Request for change of test center will not be entertained and friends and relative of climbing the candidate will not be allowed to go inside the test center. You will not be permitted to appear for exam if you fail to carry the admit card photo, mandatory government issue photo identity card, which is important, and please follow it. Don't go without that. Okay, I know most of the people won't be going. Okay, so yes, some people are asking me that Aditya, I have not received the admit card yet. Is that any resume based shortlisting? Man, TCS won't be doing any resume based shortlisting. You will get your admit card. It will take a time, but yes, you will receive it. There is no shortlisting of resume. Okay, if you have not received, wait for a while, prepare. And how to prepare? It is a very high time. Okay, I was working in coding material. Soon I would post those videos. So please start preparing. Give mock test as much as possible. Mock test, because you need to have a surrounding where you will sat for 3 hours and appear for the test like you are actual in the TCS NQT Ion Center. Very clear. So sit accordingly with that particular stuff and don't upside or don't around between that particular 3 hours. Okay. So please set your clocks and give your mock test as much as you can, which has everything written, because without mock test your hand will not move in the examination. Okay, because practice will make man perfect. Now if you think how I can get mock tests, BR, there is no mock test available, I will show you where you can find. On the screen, you can see there's a TopMate website where you can take referral, where you can call expert who is working in big product-based companies or service-based company, or where you are going to work in future, whatever you like to, Google, Microsoft and many more, you just need to find me. You can find me on service based mock interviews, or it may be in most visited websites as well. So in survey based mock interview you can find me. Why I'm telling you? Because you can apply Aditya-20 coupon code, or any of the creator, not only me, any creator you can apply and straight away avail a 20% discount right away. So here I uploaded 2 mock tests which is totally respective to the TCS and QT examination, and it will only cost you rupees 69. No, because you just need to apply Aditya-20 coupon code as I mentioned, so that you can avail the 20% discount straight away, and this will become only 56 rupees. You will get this, set your timer for 3 hours and appear for it. Okay, it will help you. It will help you to land in your TCS and QT respective profiles, because questions are taken considering all the previous year questions and created those mock tests. Now it is a do or die. If you don't practice mock test, not only mine, anywhere, you should only practice mock test, only stall programming questions. Okay, so please, 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 straight away go and study. Otherwise, you won't be able to crack TCS and QT. Treat this as a last opportunity, last mass hiring. It is a very last mass hiring. Okay, so appear for it, give your best, and I will meet you with a content video soon.